I have no idea, but those were 100% military jets, and they came like right above the tree line. I cannot believe that. This morning I was watching some videos, and there were military helicopters going over people's houses in South Carolina. Man, I wish I'd have caught that on camera. I'm gonna keep an eye out. I wish it up. Oh, right there's one. Military jet right there. Yep, I believe so. Let me zoom out a little bit. Yeah, I hope this camera picked it up, but there was one of them right there for sure. Wow, that was wild. Those are like... Oh, there's another one. Did you see it? Oh, here's a big open sky. Maybe we'll be able to see them really good here. Whoa, what was that? See if we can see over here. Any more of those jets. Man, that was probably like 10 military jets just right above the tree line. Okay, I'm not seeing anymore. Let's see if I can see them over here. No, they're just gone.